Welcome to our Betmgm tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through the withdrawal process step by step. First, let's explore the different options available for withdrawing your funds. To start, log into your Betmgm account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the banking section and select Withdraw. Here, choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. Next, input the amount you wish to withdraw. Be sure to check the minimum withdrawal limits. For security, you will need to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Withdrawal processing times can vary based on the method chosen. Check the estimated time on screen. If you encounter issues, refer to our FAQ section or contact customer support for assistance. To recap, ensure you're logged in, choose your method, input your amount, verify your identity, and check processing times. Happy withdrawing!